YouTube, how you guys doing, man? I know it's been a long time, man. So right now I'm just here on the Ohio Turnpike, heading east, and I have a 7 o'clock appointment in New York in the morning. So I just was driving, stopped, take my 30-minute break, come out on the road. Man, guys, look, I'm gonna show you what I see, man. Let me show you what I see. This is nothing long, just a quick video. I know it's been a while I don't do a video, so I said let me stop right here, make a quick video and talk to you guys, man. Guys, listen, I don't know what happened, but let me spin this around. Look at this. Guys, cut your speed, alright? Cut your speed, man. I don't know if it was a black ice on the road. I don't know if it was speeding. I don't know. But even the company what I'm working with, they chucked in it too. See that? The reefer still fucking running. So guys, the reefer still running. I'm gonna shut it off. Look at this, guys. Look at this. So I don't know if his speed was the fault of this, but all I know, ain't nothing on the road. The temperature right now is only 41 degrees. So it cannot be black ice, and let me turn this reefer off. I put it on stop. So I moved it from, it's on continuous. So I take it off continuous and I put it on stop. So I have like a half tank in it right now, guys. I don't know if you can see that. That's the reefer tank. Man, this is some fucked up shit. Oh boy, this is no good. Rush back. I don't know what this driver was doing, man. I don't know if he was on his phone, but as you can see, guys, he's loaded. Yeah, he's loaded. I don't know if you can see that, guys, but if you can see, guys, look at this is where the accident happened, and I don't know how the two of those guys end up here, guys, but that's the truck right there, guys. Jackknife. The whole foot fuck up. Everything is fucked up. That's money right here to take this out. Yeah, everything is fucked up, guys. I even gonna try to get closer to the truck. This is where I'm at on the Ohio Turnpike. One of Hirschbach truck and trailer run off the road, and with the next truck right there too. So guys, like I say, I don't know what happened, but please guys, it's winter, try to be safe, protect yourself out here, come off of the phone, you know, come off of the phone, you know. That's the next truck right here. That's a Hirschback. That's a Hirschback truck right here. And that's the hoods. Alright. So guys, come off of the phone. Please watch what you're doing, guys. So let me spin this around. Yeah guys, so please man, please be safe out here. All the drivers out here, all the rookies, be safe. You're not driving only for yourself, but you're driving for everyone on the road. And you have to look out for some, you know, for the four-wheelers, man. You know what I'm saying? Look out for next drivers who maybe feel sleepy. Hey, so try to do the best you can, alright? So guys, you know, like I said, this is just a quick video. You know, show you how, hey, it's winter, man. a lot of truck gonna lose out there, guys. You know, let me show you something else. Look, I guess they take out this fucking pole too, man. Look at that shit. Yeah, they take out the fucking pole. Yeah, they take out the pole. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they definitely take out one of these poles right here. So yeah guys, you know, this is my truck. So I'm heading to New York. You know, always put God first, man. You know, put the Almighty first and drive for each other, man. Alright guys, this is a quick one. Like, subscribe, share the video, and guys, I will see you guys on the next one. Hey, be safe, man. Alright, be safe.